A couple of showers starting to pop offshore, and as the day goes on, again, we can't rule out a shower here or there, but generally dry conditions. It will be a warm day today, though. We do have that southeasterly wind in place, which will bring in temperatures above average. There's a front, though, right here, and this front will eventually work its way into South Florida as we head towards Tuesday. Could bring us a few showers. Behind the front, we will cool things off by just a few degrees. We're not talking a major cool down, but temperatures coming off a degree or two. Otherwise, here's your hour-by-hour forecast. When you step on out, 10 a.m. right around 79 degrees, a daytime high today of 83. And then as we head towards the evening hours, temperatures falling off into the upper 70s. And again, today, daylight savings. So the sunset today will be at around 7:35 or so. Here's Vipercast. This morning starting off with dry conditions, but we do have some clouds sitting on top of us as we head towards lunchtime. Can't rule out a spot shower here or there. And then later in the afternoon, around 4 o'clock, could see a shower pop on up back across the lake. Maybe an isolated shower along the Treasure Coast, but very widely scattered. That means most of us do stay dry. And then as we head into tonight, we're generally dry, but that onshore flow will certainly keep us on the warm side. 83 the forecasted high for today, 82 Jupiter, 84 into South County. Overnight tonight, we'll see a mixture of 60s and 70s, 60s along the Treasure Coast, 70s into the Palm Beaches, and there's the extended forecast. So again, we will have that front head our way. It comes through on Tuesday. It will bring us at least a few showers here or there. It doesn't look like a washout at all, but behind the front, temperatures coming down. We'll see daytime highs in the upper 70s. Plus, it will be quite breezy as we head towards Wednesday and Thursday, and still a few showers around on the backside of the front for Wednesday.